Hello everyone, I am Ida Pangato. Because of being active sa SK namin, I was able to join different activities na ginagawa nila dito sa barangay namin. And one of those was the VoiceWorks na workshop. Ayon, they had a workshop sa barangay namin and I met the three of them, Papa Lem, Sir Navi, and Tito Jack. And little did I know na yung isang pagkikita lang na yon magpapatuloy na. Akala ko hanggang dun lang. But I was given the opportunity to join CVAP Batch 90. Napakadaming opportunities na, napakadaming experiences na ang na-experience ko. This is my chance to use my voice sa newscasting and in other aspects pa. And CVAP made a change in my life after meeting them. To CVAP, I will use my voice because someone out there needs to hear mine.